Hello viewers, once again announce ke good evening salam chanai dia ase. Choagali Operation Sindoor carry out kura bijide aji Thursday dinde Prime Minister laga first message to hole. Every Indian citizen needs to stand united kwa thakise. Aji Thursday dinde all party meeting thakise. Etu meeting to hole moa laga Defense Minister Rajnath Singh bra chair kurise aur ruling government BJP side bra aji all party meeting de Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister A.S. Jaishankar aur Minister J.P. Nadda aur Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tahan attend kura thakise. Opposition party side prapi Rahul Gandhi and Malik Arjun Kharge bra Congress represent kurise. Santip Bhatia bra Trinamool Congress represent kurise aur T.R. Palu bra TMK represent kurigina aji laga meeting de attend kurise. Other opposition leaders like Ram Gopal Yadav bra Samajwadi Party represent kurise, Sanjay Singh bra AAP represent kurise, Sanjay Raut bra Shiv Sena UPTS represent kurise, Supriya Suli bra NCP represent kurise, Asad Uddin OIC bra AIMIM represent kurise, aur Sasmitra Bata bra PJD represent kurigina aji laga meeting de all party meeting pua thakise. Aji puha all parties meeting to hole antas de puha noy choakali carry out kura Operation Sindoor kuntu successfully carry out kurise etu laga opore discussion thakule puha thakise. Aro chuti choakali carry out kura Operation Sindoor opore Pakistan khan ba retaliate kurise response kurise gulo Operation Sindoor 2 hole kinaga carry out kurubo. Etu time debi mohon irrespective of political parties action unity lagi kuigina aji meeting puha thakise. Aji laga meeting de opposition parties khan prabi itia ruling government ke full support kurigina ahe ase itia bi to fight against the terrorism aro national cause nimide mon full support tibu kuina opposition parties khan prabi aji laga meeting de kwa viewers khan announce sob ke chanai di ase. Holebi viewers itia mon sob pra phapana kurula do Operation Sindoor 2 hole carry out kurule chance ase na na. Pakistan khan pra retaliate kurise nohole response kurise gulo Operation Sindoor 2 hole carry out kurule thaka viewers an edibi chanai di ase. Choakali India bra carry out kura Operation Sindoor opore Pakistan khan ba ki claim kuri ase. Pakistan Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishata aro Defense Minister Kabaza Asif Khan bra ki gu ase tahan bra koi ase ki choakali India bra air strike kura time de China made J-10 fighter jet use kurigina India laga pasta fighter jets khan hole kerai dise guna tahan claim kuri ase. Etu pasta majode France laga ekdam advance fighter jet Rafale be include ase guna tahan claim kuri ase. So viewers tahan ba claim kura hole hosana misa ase idia chanikina chabo. Choakali ora chi majode internet te etu picture or video to piece surface hoigina ase. Pakistan khan ba claim kuri ase ki Operation Sindoor carry out kura France laga Rafale fighter jet hole shot down kurison tahan claim kuri ase. Edu fact check kura dem de iduro misa hoikena baise iduro hole 2024 de Pakistan hi ekta fighter jet crash hua laga ase kugena edu hosa do thurule paise. Aro ekta fake news or fake information internet te surface kura to hole Pakistan khan pra edu picture hole edu video use kurigena koi ase ki choakali India khan bra Operation Sindoor carry out kura ke Pakistan khan ba retaliate kurigina Srinagar laga military base aur Amritsar laga military base ke tahan ba strike kuri seguna edu misinformation do hole ekdam itia internet te surface kuri ase edu fact check to hole ekdam misa ase kuigina pabi viewers an amnan ke chanai di ase. Aro viewers hosabi mohan bra achi learn gurula para aro hunula para ekta ki ase gule do hosabi choakali rati de Pakistan khan bra India laga jurisdiction de thaka alag jaga de air strike kurule kosis kura honi bai ase. Inaga Pakistan khan bra choradi air strike kurule kosis kura jaga khan de hole moi screen de dekhai di ase. Hole bi India laga air defense system de thaka S-400 nisna nohole UAS khan bra edu missiles khan hole intercept kurigina neutralize kuri dia honi bai ase. Etu laga attempt ke reply kurigina India khan bra retaliate kuradam de Pakistan laga HQ-9 missile defense system unit kuntu Lahore de ase etu laga base ke Israel made Harvey drone bra strike kurigina etu unit to hole pura neutralize kuri dia honi ba ase. Enaga hua bra etia Lahore to hole air defense system na thakigina ekta defenseless hoi ja honi ba ase. edu laga strike te 4 jon army khan du hole chokam ba ase kuise Pakistan laga aro 1 jon civilian du hole mort hoise gona idia nutun khobo pa bi viewers an anan ke chanai di ase so viewers choagali monso prachana operation Sindhu carry out kura bijire choarati ekdam dangor escalation du hole chai thaga aji mon hunula pari ase idia kwanisna Pakistan khan brabi India side te air strike kurula kosis kura thagise hole bi India lage air defense system bra edu missiles khan drones khan hole pura neutralize kuri dia chorati mon khumaigna thakadam de enaga happen hua huniba ase to achilaga video de viewers khan India aur Pakistan Operation Sindhu carry out kura bijide ki latest development ase edu janai dia ase aru huna hisab te idia western border fale India aru Pakistan border fale military power do hole thamaram deploy kurigina thaka honiba ase aru control room system dhole 10ta district te edu set up kurigina thaka honiba ase idia western border side te mohalaga western border side India aru Pakistan border LOC de mara mari hua bu honiba ase to situation to kinaga enough hobla ase corona bari holi mon niju jaga re India or Pakistan majode peace to repeal kuru nimide pray kurigana madat tiude kugana achilaga video latest development ki jaigana ase India or Pakistan tension opore viewers an anan ke chanai dia ase thank you everyone for watching my video